sir.
Hello friends, my name is Prakash and I welcome you all on our online show Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. I always send you Zoom ID and password. With Zoom and ID password, I also send you some topics to discuss. So in advance, you can prepare yourself to discuss in the meeting. Okay, today I sent you the time management and grooming.
Yes.
Okay, so first question is, what is grooming? Who knows the meaning of grooming?
Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
yes, I can hear you. You are audible. So would you like to say about grooming?
Grooming means um,
Sir, I
adjustment in
would like to give
time
one.
value.
Sir,
Yeah,
I think grooming is develop yourself.
okay. Grooming is developing. No problem.
Yes,
You
sir.
all can share
Grooming
your,
means self.
yeah.
Sir,
Grooming
Uday,
means self appearance.
refer to the things that people do keep
self-appearance.
themselves clean.
One by
Yes.
Ganesh Charde. Ganesh Charde, what do you think about grooming? Ganesh.
Hello?
Yeah, okay, okay. Who is speaking
I
now?
think Sir Rahul is here.
Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Any,
grooming, I think he continuously learning. It's about a grooming.
okay, no problem. You all are right. You all also are right now because we are discussing now. We are collecting your ideas, your knowledge about the
Hello.
topic. Yeah,
Sir, I
Yeah,
think
Rajkumar is speaking.
grooming means
yeah,
cleaning
Rajkumar.
body parts and taking
Sir,
care of
grooming
body
means
parts.
refers to the things that people do to keep themselves clean and make their face, hair, and skin look nice. In view of time management, we can say who is able to manage time effectively, they are grooming themselves in front of management or any so as that's called
Okay,
grooming, sir.
okay, very nice, superb. Anybody wants to say about
Sir,
grooming?
grooming means sir. Can I say?
Yeah, one by one. Satyanarayan Sen?
Yeah, sir, I think grooming means taking care of our body parts and cleaning our uh, face, skin, and our hair. Taking care of our hair.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
Hello.
So can I
Yeah,
say?
yeah, yes, you all can say. You all
Very,
can share your
very.
ideas. Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Give me this opportunity. My name
yeah,
is Sujit. I'm
okay,
new only today.
okay,
So my opinion is grooming is makeover myself. If you know means if you makeover yourself or makeover your
yeah,
uh, current situation, that time it's grooming is required. So grooming means makeover in yourself. My
very
opinion
good.
is.
Yes, 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 very nice. You are very close, very close.
Sir,
Okay,
I would
Gani,
like to give answer.
yeah,
Yes, sir. Good. Grooming means your appearance and your physical
Yes.
fitness and your standards like hygiene standards, your body fitness when you feel confident, the sense of dressing and all things are there. And it will be greater impact on your personality.
okay, that's good,
Sir,
that's okay.
grooming is a just I have things which which
Okay,
is
hello.
Hello?
Now,
Hello?
please, I request all my friends. Now, turn off your audio. Hello, turn off your audio now. Hello, please.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Rukmini.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good
Good
evening.
evening,
So,
sir.
would you like to say
Good
something
evening, sir.
about grooming?
Yeah, yes. Grooming means appearance. I feel appearance. Um, yes, sir.
Okay.
appearance, and how to manage to friends and time management. Everything is I feel like that. That's why.
Okay, good. So in very
It's okay,
simple
sir.
word,
Thank you, sir.
we can say grooming means what do you think about your appearance? That is called the grooming. It's clear? Very
Yes,
simple meaning.
thank you, sir.
What
Yes,
do you think
yes,
about
sir.
your appearance? That is called.
Yeah.
Okay. We can see the difference between two people, groomed person and ungroomed person. Just by observing his clothes, his hairstyle, his way of walking. Also, sometimes we can say, how does he talk with the person? Okay.
Okay.
We all know that our meeting is going on.
Yes, sir.
So some people don't know how to stand properly also in the meeting. What kind of,
Yes, yes.
what type of clothes should we wear during the meeting? How to look at the cameras?
Yes.
How to uh, talk with the different people? How to listen? That this all part of the grooming. Means you are groomed person. We must groom our personality. It is called to develop. Appearance only
Yes.
the one part of your personality. That is
Okay.
not everything. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So many years ago, I just did the course of grooming in Ahmedabad, and that time I realized how to walk, how to talk, and how to groom ourselves. That's why you can say my face is also, I always in the clean shave. I always wear the
Sir, you are NCC
clothes.
cadet. Yes.
Yeah.
Just like us.
Mustache.
Hmm. So no, why? I just try to groom myself. I try to groom myself because I did that course in the past time. That's why today I decided to talk about the grooming. Is it clear? In the next session,
Yes.
after 2 days also, we will discuss a lot about the grooming. One by one thing we are going to discuss.
Okay.
Okay. Today,
Okay.
today just I want to open this topic. What is grooming? Start collecting some new ideas and information about grooming and just try to apply it. Grooming is not for understanding or collecting information. Grooming means to apply on yourself. Is it clear? That's a
Yes,
practical thing.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go to the,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, I would just like to add something to grooming.
Yeah.
Literally, we always look at an physical angle. That is
Yeah.
just like keeping our body, how to dress up, and how do we, uh, I mean, how we appear in front of somebody else.
Yeah.
But actually, it can be used in different kind of circumstances, and the word can convey a different kind of meaning.
Yeah.
Just like grooming your personality,
Yes.
grooming your appearance, grooming your understanding, grooming your skills. So there are many kind of angle. Just I wanted to add.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. What is my plan today? Just introduce this word with my friends. What is grooming? Day by day, we are going to start discussing on the develop your personality, top skills. These all things we are going to discuss in our session. Okay, someone's audio is on and lots of noise is there. Please take care. All my friends know where the noise is coming. So please try to, because many people are discussing here. Is it clear?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so
Yes.
today just we have started the grooming meaning. What is grooming? Today we are not going to discuss deeply about grooming. Just now from today, collect some information about grooming and try to apply on yourself. After all, English is not everything. English is a language only. With the help of English language, we will be able
Yes.
to talk with the people from the different states and countries. Okay, but first of all, you have some good ideas. You must have some knowledge. You must have some good develop personality, you must have lot of informations and skills. Then you will go to the people to talk about your ideas in English. But if you have nothing, you know English language only, but you don't have any skill, you don't have good character, you don't have any information, knowledge, then what will you speak with the people? Yes or no?
Yes, it's just express our views. But if we don't have views, then how we can express?
Yes. Okay. And okay, one more thing I want to discuss today. We all are Indian here. I think today there is no one from the out of country. Okay. Yesterday I had a conversation on the Cambly, and I was discussing about the accent. Sir, I am from India. My accents are Indian, and I don't want to copy the accent of British people or American people, which, you know, in India also, we speak, sometimes we speak Hindi or English. There is a influence of our mother tongue, but we can understand what our South Indian person want to tell us in English, or, you know, some South Indian people don't know Hindi language, and we don't know Tamil, Telugu, that type of things. So which is the common language for us? English.
English.
Okay, so we both have different accent, but we can understand what we want to tell us. So that is a function of the language. Okay, Australian people have different English accents, Scottish people have different accent, Canadian have different accent, but what is the main function of the language? Communication is going on or not? Whatever you have ideas, views, or knowledge, can you share with the person or not? That's enough. What do you think about that?
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right.
So
Yes,
just
sir. Hello?
first focus on your language, on your fluency, then accuracy, then accent. You know,
Yes,
some
sir.
okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir.
shall we start our session now?
Yes, sir.
For sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today's my first topic is how to share your opinions. What kind of phrases you can use to share your opinions? Okay, very simple example I want to give you, and you can share your opinions now. What do you think of Honda car? Very simple. Now I want to know your opinions. What do you think about Honda cars? So you can say, in my opinion, Honda car is, I think Honda car is, as far as I'm concerned, Honda car is, then you can share your ideas. You can share your opinions. Opinions means it's not fact. Okay. Opinion means not fact. Is it clear? That is your personal thinking about any particular person, place, or thing. So that is your personal point of view. So that is called the opinion. So how to share your opinions? Just start your sentence. I think, in my opinion, as far as I'm concerned, in my point of view. You can start this one. I have given the question, and we are going to start with the Pankaj Ambe. So Pankaj Ambe, what do you think of Honda car?
I think, sir, the Honda car is like a weightage in this name, and we all and every year they want innovative the innovative luxurious cars.
Okay. So I can say, now I just want to share the opinion of Pankaj Ambe. Then I say, according to Pankaj Ambe, Honda car is a nice car. Okay. Now I want to go to the Ganesh Charde. Ganesh Charde, what do you think about Honda car? Yeah, turn on your audio first. Ganesh, turn on your audio.
So now am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, first of all.
Yeah, very good evening.
I'm a big fan of you. Yeah, I have
Thank you.
watched almost all of the videos.
Thank you very
From my perspective, Honda company is a Japanese-based company, and it produces four-wheeler, two-wheelers, and so on models in his organization. And when it comes to speed, accuracy, mileage, ABC, uh, the functions of Honda is means out of the mark what other manufacturer does. So I think it's in the market, goodwill of Honda is stands beside other than means, from other manufacturers. That's it. I don't know much about Honda company. I know the basics about.
Okay, that's all. That's all. No problem. Amit Diman. Amit Diman, what do you think of Honda car?
It is most selling products in our India, and it is in the top selling cars in the list of top selling cars. And if somebody has to purchase a car, Honda car is a good option for him.
Okay. Okay. Now, Sagrika, what do you think of Honda car? Hello, Sagrika, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening. So,
Hello.
just share your opinions about Honda car. Yeah, very good evening.
In my opinion, Honda car is manufactured in India. This is a nice car, and speed quality is very good, and better mileage for other cars. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now, Ranjana Goswami, what do you think of Honda car? Then I'm going to change our topic.
Sir, actually, I haven't experienced Honda car. That's why I don't know.
Okay, so you also can say, I don't have any experience, so how can I share my opinion? We are practicing language. We are not checking our knowledge or information now. It is not your interview. Okay. Anyhow, we want to develop the language. Okay. Okay. Now Uday Sabad. Now new question. Okay. I want to arise a new question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What do you think? What do you think about our Zoom meeting every day? What do you think about our Zoom meeting?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I am Uday Sabad. Now I am in Rajkot at my home. So yesterday I also joined, and you're talking about goal. So because of this Zoom meeting, like you have give to chance people as far as with English, you can improve knowledge also. Like just you share opinion about Honda car. So many people don't know Honda car is luxurious. Like somebody is never experienced Honda car, but from now he know the car is luxurious. So by this we are improve our knowledge. So the Zoom meeting is a very good platform to improve our knowledge as well as our language. So we improve our command on language and our knowledge also. So by this Zoom meeting, and one thing is what we are different people, unknown people. Like whenever, like when I talk with my brother to English, it's very easy for me. But when some unknown people are there, at that time if I am talking, so that is like a very challenging thing. So if we can doing this thing here, it will also very benefit to us. So this is a very beneficial meeting for us. And if we do continue this, so you think like this in lockdown period, people are stressed and they don't know what to do. Do you read newspaper? In newspaper, there are like psychological questions people are asking in newspaper. So he shows that people are how down level. So even in this period, we are doing this qualitative thing, which add in our value and speaking skills, which is the most important thing. The main target is speaking skills, but along with speaking skills, we can cover every aspect. So I am very much thankful for that to you, sir. It's a very good initiative, and I like to daily this. And please continue. So this is a good experience of Zoom meeting. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, superb. Uday Sabar, very nice. So, you know, Uday Sabar has just shared his opinion with us. He has not talked about the fact. This is his personal thinking. This is his personal point of view. And when you share with the people, that is called your opinion. Is it clear? Okay, what is the fact? Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team. That is a fact. I cannot say, I think Virat Kohli is. No. Okay. But I can say, Virat Kohli is a wonderful captain. That is my personal point of view. I think. Okay. So that is not fact. Because, you know, all people have different point of view. And we must respect we must respect the point of view of others also. Because the God has given him the separate mind. So he has a right to think in the different way. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Clear,
Some
sir.
people, maybe some people don't like this Zoom meeting. Why are you wasting your time? I think this is your waste of time. That is his point of view. So he's also right, no problem. According to him, this is a waste of time because English is not useful for him. I think he doesn't need the practice of English. So he's in point of his point of view, or according to him, this is a time of waste. Is it clear or not? So we must respect him, no problem. Is it clear? So I'm telling you what is fact and what is opinion. I think the meaning is clear. Now I want to go to the Sujit. Then Satyanarayan Sen, be ready, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My opinion is the Zoom meeting is very good for us. That I believe that my English is not that much of good, so it's need to very good practice for that platform. So every day, Zoom is the only one. I think that Zoom is the only that platform where I can explain my all the views, all the opinion, and what is the my current situation means that right now lockdown is going on. So it's in this situation, if I'll improve my English, for it is help my future purpose also. So I think that it is a good platform. If I practice every day by day, so my English should be improved very good. One day I will reach very good position for my English. And thank you for thank you for sir for give me this type of opportunity. Today is my first day, so I don't know, before that I never completed that type of meeting. So thank you for all, and thank you Prakash sir also.
Okay, also thank you very much for joining us to practice your English, okay? Because this is a platform of practicing our English. No one is teaching here. We all are teaching each other. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So again, something is missing in your all sentences. Just use this type of phrases. In my point of view, according to my father, according to the Times of India, according to Bill Gates, according to, if you are talking about the other person's opinion, then you can use according to. But in my opinion, okay, in my point of view, as far as I'm concerned, so use this type of things to practice your English. Now, let's go to Satyanarayan Sen and Priyanshu Sharma. Same topic. What do you think about our Zoom meeting?
Namaste, sir. Namaste to all of you. Sir, at first I want to say thanks to you because you are arranging this type of meeting with us, and by which and the help of Zoom platform, we are getting lot of confidence. Before that, I'm actually shy to talk with English in front of lots of people, and here I see the lots of unknown peoples, but I say with English, I talk with English with confidence because of you, sir. And for that, I again thank to you. And in this lockdown, when we have lots of free time, by you, we are arranging this type of meeting, and we are actually getting lots of knowledge about English, which is actually needed for us, for our career, for our future, to communicate with lots of people in our career. So it is very useful to learn English, and it is very useful like Zoom platform. And also I have to say, this type of platform is be to secure our data, as we know that Zoom is not that much secure. So Zoom is very important for us. Also Zoom is need to be upgrade its servers and security, so that we are able to use Zoom without any worry, and it is very useful for us. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Very good, very good. But you also missed something, Satyanarayan Sen, in my point of view, in my opinion. Okay, so use these all things. And now, okay, who is next?
Priyanshu Sharma. Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, Priyanshu Sharma, then Pankaj from Udaipur, be ready.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
All of you.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is Priyanshu Sharma, and thank you, sir, give me this opportunity. It is, if we talk about the Zoom meeting, it is very important for us because it has been playing a significant role in our life, because we learn different types of words, and we can communicate each other, and it is appreciated to each other. We are get more and more things is there. We improve our knowledge with the help of Zoom. And if we talk about the facts of Zoom meeting, it is I think it is a secured. It is and I have not a large of data, so it is a very important for us. And thank you very much.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Yesterday we also discussed about, I think we don't have any important data. Yes or no? And we are not billionaire and millionaire.
Yes.
Okay. And sometimes
we are just discussing, sir.
Yeah, no. I also, we discussed yesterday. You were not here yesterday. That's why you don't know about that. Yesterday we discussed about Zoom application. Okay, is it secure or not? Sometimes we have to take risk in our life. Otherwise, you cannot make progress. If I think that, Zoom is unsecure for me, then I should stop arranging meeting on this, then nothing is there. Okay, so I like to take risk in my life. Okay, and risk is here, not for you. Okay, because I arrange all meetings. That's why there is no risk for you. So now, Pankaj, Udaipur.
Okay, sir, I am audible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Good evening, all of you. First of all, I thank to you, Mr. Gupta, sir, because I never seen this type of activity on YouTube, on any other channel that you arranged that. You created a tremendous job. So I thank to you. And second thing, Zoom meeting is too good for us, because there are lots of teachers who teaches me anything and more. Okay, in other classes, in other online classes, only one teacher who teaches us, but here we all are teachers. So
yeah, that's good.
Very good. Okay, and that other thing regarding Zoom is secure or not, I think we don't share any data at here to each other. We share only our name, our city, and maybe our age or something like that. Okay, we don't share our education, we don't share anything. So from my point of view, it is secure, and there is no any type of risk here on Zoom meeting, because I used to Zoom meeting from last couple of years in my company also. And that's it. Thanks a lot for having me.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for sharing your opinions. Yes, definitely.
Thank you, sir, giving me this golden opportunity. This is my first video conferencing of all of you.
So welcome to our show. No problem. Speak confidently
Thank you, sir.
and don't worry about making mistakes. That is our first motto: make 100 mistakes, but speak confidently like me.
Okay, sir. Before starting this conversation, I am very nervous. Now I am confident. What I say, now I am confident. I am confident.
Okay, good. That's good. That's good. Now, so what do you think about? Would you like to share your opinion about Zoom meeting?
Okay, in my opinion, Zoom app is very good. It is communicate with each other, and now our English is improving. Sir, one request for you.
Yeah.
This continue this process after lockdown. Can you just continue this process after lockdown?
Okay, let me clear everything today. Let me clear. First goal of my life, I want to be helpful for many people. That's the first goal of my life. Okay. Second, I'm a teacher and I want to teach. I think I was born to teach. Is it clear?
Okay,
And one more thing, I want to meet maximum people to share my ideas and to get ideas from other, because each and every person is special and that person has a speciality to learn from him. So I want to learn from you also. So how can I miss this opportunity? So definitely I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue this Zoom meeting after lockdown period also. Okay. And one more thing. Okay, one more thing. I have started writing story also.
Okay, sir.
And I'm going to start the series of story writing also. I will take only 2 minutes to share my stories, and just I will end up that story for your option. You will decide what will happen in the story after that. Okay. So in the second session, we are going to discuss this whole thing. And now we have only 4 minutes left. So I will go to one more speakers to share his ideas and opinions about Zoom meetings and about our show. Let's talk in English with non-native speakers. So what are your opinions about our show? Let's talk in English with non-natives. Yeah. Okay, we have also one more session after this. Okay. No, 1 minute. Yes, some people don't know. We have one more session after this session also. Okay. In this session, we have 4 minutes left, but after that, again, we have one more session for 40 minutes.
So
yeah,
you would be there?
Okay. Yes,
okay,
definitely,
okay,
definitely,
okay.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Password and
same password
ID.
and ID. Same as password and ID. You can connect.
When it is going to start, sir?
Just after 5 minutes. When our meeting will be over, after ending the meeting, again you can log in with the same ID and password. We will be there. Any question about that?
No, sir.
So we have 3 minutes.
What
so let's
about you give topic us?
I would like to.
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yeah. In the second session, we are going to discuss about that. Okay. You can see my plan. You can see my plan. I always make a plan what to do and what not to do in the class. Okay.
Good, sir. Good.
So this
Thank
is
you
my
so much.
this is my personal diary, and I always write down everything.
Great.
Okay.
This is Rajkumar.
I would like to say something.
This is Rajkumar speaking.
Yeah, Rajkumar. Yes.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and thank you for accepting my request. Actually, in starting, you told that without English, it is very difficult to manage it means all over world, anywhere you can go. For example, you know the Telugu and you know the Tamil and you don't know the English, then it is very problematic. For example, I am teaching nowadays in Vijayawada. Basically, I am native from Uttar Pradesh. I did my schooling in Hindi medium, but because of the English only, I am surviving in South India since 5 years. That is, I studied in Hindi medium, and whenever I have followed you on Cambly while you're talking on YouTube, I was already doing the same thing, and I have seen you also facing problem because your schooling also the same way, and you have the UG PG degree in Sanskrit, and rather than you are doing work hard to know command in this language. Likewise, we also face problem during our UG, but now it is good to communicate in college because we are already known to all the technical terms and all. Then there is no problem to teach. But we have some problem when we speaking in front of the chairman or some other faculty rather than technical word. For that, I want to just join this Zoom conversation, and I find very useful. And thank you, sir, for this arranging this type of meetings.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
thank you very much for sharing your opinions with us and your feelings. Okay, every day in this Zoom meeting, we are going to meet with the different people from the different background. They may be the engineers, they may be from the medical field. So definitely we are going to learn something from the different people from the different background. And if we continue this process for some days or for some months, our English will be different. What do you think about that?
Yes, sir, sure, definitely.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Okay.
Absolutely right, Prakash sir.
So just let me
It
tell
will
you,
be-
I never studied English during my school days. I never studied English during my college days. I started learning English after my graduation.
Yes, sir, even though they start after 5th ABCD.
Yeah.
In all states primary schools.
Till graduation, we were studying English subject like science and mathematics. So maybe that is why you were not able to communicate properly.
Yeah.
Now,
So one day I was defeated by English language, and I decided to defeat English language. Then I started learning
yes,
English
it's very
seriously.
good. Yes.
yeah, I have watched your video about.
Okay. So that's why I have decided one day I want to be